Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Abin Zainuri. I'm from 9.3, and today in this actually speaking video, I'm gonna tell you about one of material in mathematics lesson, namely one of the form of transformation, namely reflection. So in this video, we will understanding reflection in mathematics. Okay, so what is reflection? In mathematics, reflection is a transformation that produces a mirror image of a shape across a specific line called the line of reflection. The shape does not change in size or shape, only its position is flipped. So the size remains the same, but the position is different. Okay, there are four examples of reflection lines. The first reflection is reflection over the x-axis. The x-coordinates remains the same, but the y-coordinates become negative. The formula is x point y become x point minus y. In the example is like 5.6 become 5 minus 6. Okay, the second reflection is reflection over the y-axis. The y-coordinates remains the same, but the x-coordinates become negative. The formula is x point y become minus x point y. Like the example 2.8 become minus 2.8. The third reflection, the third reflection is reflection over the line y equal to x. The x and y coordinates switch places. The formula is x point y become y point x. The example is 5.4 become 4.5. And then the last or the fourth reflection is reflection over the line y equal to x. The x and y coordinates switch places and become negative. The formula is x point y become minus y minus x. The example is like 7.8 become minus 8.7. In real life, there are many example of reflection. One of the example that we can found in real life is mirror. We can see reflection in real life like mirrors, lake, or symmetrical objects. For example, when you look at yourself in the mirror, your image is a reflection across the mirror's surface. Like, wait, yeah, here I have a mirror. Yeah, I have a mirror. This is the example of reflection in real life. So here when I put my hand, when I put my hand, this is the object in real life, and the mirror will reflect my hand. So this is basically the example of reflection that we found every day in daily life. This is the mirror. One of the example of reflection in real life. Okay, back to the topic, reflection. So in conclusion, reflection is an important concept in geometry that helps us understand symmetry and positioning in shapes. By applying reflection rules, we can easily determine the new position of a shape after reflection, like in the mirror case. Okay, I think that's all for Edgy Speaking this week. Thank you for attention. See you next time. I'm Abian Zainuri. I'm from 9.3. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.